Today I will be making a video of me swimming in Miami, Florida. By the way, this is Kitty in the car. I might look very weird with my goggles. This is a GoPro video, so it might not have very good sound, okay? Let's go, people. Oh my God. Saw that, people? Saw that? Just gonna go a bit deeper. Grab. Back out into the ocean. Look. Well, that was a big wave. Now, people, I'll make a video of me. Okay? By the way, people, this is Miami, Florida. The fence stuff. Whatever. Okay? Ready? Set, go. Now, people, I have to turn back. Okay, this is the end of this video. I will be back